have a running joke with each other is like, if you look at all the woes, like the obesity, the heart disease, the, you know, all the things that we're experiencing, the high anxiety, the mental needs and everything. And we're like, oh, what's one good way? You know, we have all these meetings over there about, you know, childhood hunger and food as medicine and obesity over here and all these things and nature deficit disorder. And we're like, we can get out in nature, we can all garden together and we can bring community back. And through these methods, you know, getting away from chemicals and bringing that healthy soil in, it solves so many. So that environmental justice, environmental stewardship, bringing all of us together answers so many, I mean.
And then also too, another method to me would be through, and this is for the mental health or wellness.
Yes.
Would be like recidivism. So
yes.
I know this state already implements that with people that are already in prison. But what about when they come home? Because the same regenerative concepts you're teaching these kids can regenerate these adults.
We were just talking about that.
And finding purpose and it. A lot of kids would tell me that I don't like art, and I said, "How do you know? You've never done it."
Exactly.
And well, my mama said I hated it, and I was like, "Well, why don't you just come give it a try?"
And another thing I'm getting at too is also too, it can satisfy that whole statement of hating their net back into society.
I think we need to go.
We're meant to work with our hands, and I don't think people realize how good your whole body can feel with that kind of work. So,
it really covers everything.
well, is this a good spot to tell our funny? We were pulling weeds, and it was one of the days the students weren't with us. Either they weren't there yet, I can't remember. And somebody, because we are in the community, and somebody walked through, and he's like, "What are you doing?" I was like, "Pulling weeds." And he goes, "What'd you get picked up for?" I was like, "Excuse me?"
Yeah, we were so confused.
I'm, you know,
in our garden gnome overalls.
I like this. He goes, "This ain't community service." And I said, "No, I like this."
Yeah, he said, "Pulling weeds."
Favorite things in the whole wide world.
Pulling weeds. He's like, "On purpose?"
On
like,
purpose?
absolutely.
So we're,
I'm gonna tell you how